What's up everyone, it's Wolf here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. By the way, if you got into the methods, make sure to comment down below and let me know. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any of my latest methods. Also, check out my Discord server and r/SCPWolf if you need help. Link is in the description below. So first, go to Cosm, link in the description below. And you will see all these Docker images over here. Now, all you have to do is open the app that you want to open. For example, if you want to open Chrome, which is right here, all you have to do is click on the Docker Hub path over here. And scroll down and find Launch Demo. And as you can see over here, we got Chrome. Or if you open Discord, which is right here, all you have to do is click on the Docker Hub path over here and click Launch Demo. And as you can see over here, we got Discord. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video is helpful. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below and check out my Discord server or just comment down below if you have any issues. And I will see you guys next time.